Hello, Jeff here. I've got my Leatherman here. Thought I'd show you. It's kind of beefed up a little bit. I just threw some extra stuff on there, but it works out. Got flashlight over here. This is my stream light. Which one is this? The Micro Stream. Really nice flashlight. I like this one more than I like the brown one because when you first turn it on, it just goes to the low and then it goes to the high. The brown one goes high first and then low. So that's there. Then I have a Fisher Space Pen. These are always nice. Writes upside down. Writes right side up. Underwater apparently. Really nice. I've got a Spyderco lightweight. Really like this knife. It just disappears when I put it in my pocket. I have to check to see if I even have it on me by reaching down and checking my pocket. Otherwise, I can't really tell if I have it with me or not. The steel, not a fan of. But it's a really nice knife though. But I don't mind sharpening all the time, which I do have to do with that. I've got one of those bit extenders over here. Never use it, but I have it if I need it. I've got 2 packs of these bits. One in the back here. It's got the little extra mini Phillip and straight edge. Then the Leatherman tool. This is really nice. This is the Leatherman Charge Plus. And mine is in the, I don't know what you'd call that finish. It's like chiseled out G10, I believe. Really, really nice. It's got the S30V blacked out blade. Really, really nice. This thing cuts better than most of my other knives. And of course, I'll go through. It's got the file. It's got the file on this edge, and then it has the diamond on this side, which I guess in a pinch I could sharpen my knife on it if I had to, which is kind of handy with that BD1 and steel. Let's see. Oh, it's got the wood saw. Serrated blade with a hook. And in here, pliers with the interchangeable wire cutter. This just really works well. I mean, there's no wiggle, but it opens and closes just effortlessly. And of course, you've got all the other fine tools in it. Can opener. Interchangeable bits. This one has the flat edge on the other side. Phillips on this side. Let's get some scissors. They work okay, I guess. And oh, they all lock. So when you fully open them, you've got to unlock them. It's got the micro flathead and Phillips. These come in and out. And a nice, I guess, pry bar flathead. Very nice. That's about it. That's my Leatherman setup with the Spyderco and the Fisher Space Pen and the Streamlight MicroStream. All fits in there pretty dang well, surprisingly. All right. See ya.